Hi, in this lecture I want to talk about the summary task. If you recall, I've mentioned about it briefly, but right now if I click here and if I go to tab, you see that we have the insert here. I can click here and insert a summary task, and if I insert a summary task, it is added to the top of the table, and the other task, which was the structure, it goes one level lower in the WBS and falls under this task. So these summary tasks are good to, for example, manage and kind of categorize several of the tasks, and you want to see the duration. And the fun thing is that if I add this summary task, it's gonna make the duration of all the following tasks underlined. So I press Ctrl Z right now for the moment. For example, I have several of these tasks, 1.3 to 1.5. I just click here, I select all, and I press summary, and then you see that a summary task is added here. You can, let's say, call it after design. I double click on this and then press OK. So you have the design here, and then you have the after design. You see that the after design takes 40 days. Yeah, you can manage it. One thing that is kind of important for you to know, you can change the duration of the summary task to 50 days without affecting the categories, the subcategories of the summary task. So you see that the summary is 50 days, but the tasks are 20 and 20, and then we have a milestone here. So and the view that you see here is kind of changed. This a greenish color shows that the duration, the real duration based on the activities that happens on the following these summary tasks, and this is the let's say the duration that you impose in the summary. So sometimes it's good that you put some contingency for your project by adding and extending the duration of a summary task, and then you can put this summary task predecessor to the next summary task, so you kind of consider that 10 days of contingency for this part of your project. That's a great tool as well in order you are able to use in your project. One more thing that I've discussed this before, if you go to format, then we have one item here. When we are in the Gantt view, there is project summary task. If I click here, it adds a zero base, zero level WBS to your project with the name of the project and with the total duration of the project. And as you see in the Gantt, it is kind of encompassing and covering all the schedule together. It's 405 days for the total duration of the project. So try to use these tools that MS Project provide in order to handle your project